Coming back to the session. So we are doing the first module, a part of that for the RVCC certification, and the module name is the volatility game. And in this particular module, we will understand how to do the rebalancing. Most of the time, it is seen that there is a return in all the asset classes, but which asset class will give you better return in which particular time is very, very important. So this game helps you to rebalance your assets. There are times when the asset class, whether it is equity or whether it is debt, has become expensive. So that is the time you should come out of it. And there is a time when the asset class is cheap. That can be gold, that can be debt, that can be equity. So that is the time you should get into this. It is observed that if you are not doing anything and if your portfolio is there, probably in last 10 years, if you have invested in Nifty, your 100 rupee today is approximately 190 or something like that, not even doubled. But yes, this is also significantly good. But if you see, if there is a rebalancing done, probably it has gone up 13 times. Let's say even if 50% of the time you have done a proper rebalancing, then also you have actually grown 6 times, 7 times more. So this is what the power is of rebalancing the assets. So before we get into that, there is something which I would like to ask you as a question. There are programs like Kaun Banega Crorepati, who will become a millionaire, and a lot of people win a lot of money in lotteries and things like that. So ये सारे के सारे programs में, lottery में, Kaun Banega Crorepati में, or winning things like that, this people they lose everything within 2 years. कहने का मतलब है 2 सालों में वो सारा का सारा रुपया, whatever they have earned, they actually lose everything. Now my question is, what is the reason and why it happens like that? कि उन्होंने जो भी रुपया earn किया है, whatever they have earned is all exhausted within 2 years, within 1.5 to 2 years. There is a case of like, no, this from Patna, Sushil Kumar, he got this 5 crore from Kaun Banega Crorepati. And then what happens? Today he is working somewhere for a particular salary. So similarly, if you Google and if you see the top 10 stories in US, top 10 stories in Sydney, you will see the same situation. Now, why this happens? ऐसा क्यों होता है? If some of you can just answer.
Because maybe they don't put the money to use.
But to me, okay. What else?
Maybe there's no financial discipline.
Yes, there is no financial discipline. To humans, actually, they have not identified a good financial advisor in their life. Yes, that's also
You become overjoyed with the amount of money you get and then spend it.
Yes, their spendings actually goes up. Yes, perfect. What else? Anyone else? But they got the money. 5 crore is not less, or maybe 1 crore or 500,000 or something. It's a big money. And they start spending, or they have not got an advisor, or they have not, certain things happen. Like, what is the major reason? Anyone else? Even if I have chocolates, I cannot give it to you.
Mindset.
That's the disadvantage of being in a digital platform.
They don't have that mindset.
Yes, Harish. So, see what Harish has mentioned. I think this is something which is what we all, as a volatility coach together, we all are continuously working on. See, how many of you have read this book called The Secret? Anyone? You all can just write yes or whatever way. Secret. Yes, some of you have. Okay. Mr. Amuraj has read this. Harish, to yes, theek hai. So in this book, they talk about something called law of attraction. And it is told that हम लोग जैसा होते हैं वैसे ही चीजों को अपनी ओर आकर्षित करते हैं. As we are, we will attract the similar type of situation, similar type of people, similar type of circumstances, and the same type of money in our life. Therefore, it is money, whatever we have attracted in form of this lottery, in form of this windfall gain, this is just there because we attracted it like that. But in order to continue to retain that money, जिस चीज की सबसे ज्यादा आवश्यकता है, the thing which is most important is what is that we are. हम लोग कैसे हैं, कैसा हमारा परवरिश रहा है, So that is all about mindset, which Harish was mentioning, and which Varun or Upendra and all our volatility coaches keep on talking about that. What is the mindset? See, from childhood till the boy or this girl, they grow up, they listen to that you only focus on your study. You don't talk about money now. You don't talk about money now. But all of a sudden, when his study is completed, all his expectations from the parent, from the world, everything is like how much money you are making, where did you get your placement. Okay, so now throughout there is a conditioning which has happened, don't talk about money, and all of a sudden you are only talking about money. So this is probably a conditioning which needs to be changed. So in this book they talk about, as you are, as the so that is the things you will be attracting in life. So it's not bad to talk about money with kids, it's not bad, but we will have to talk about money in its best form. So that's the idea, wherein no, the whole thing is there. As if you don't have that mindset, even if you have attracted 5 crore rupees, this money will just go away. So before talking about money management and portfolio management and rebalancing, it is very, very important that only those people will retain that money who have this proper mindset. And probably this mindset is not something which you can learn. Or maybe, this is actually there in your family, there with your friends. So your friends, your people around you, your parents, so, and maybe teachers. So this is something which is coming from them. And it is automatic. That's the reason probably Azim Premji's son is a billionaire. Mukesh Ambani is what he is. So something which you actually keep on getting from your family. So this is very, very important to understand. Okay, let's have a second example with you. I'll give you a very simple question, and then there is a poll for that, which all of you can participate. The question is, there is something which is, हम लोग कहते हैं दुनिया का आठवां अजूबा, which we call is the eighth wonder of the world. And in order to explain that, I will tell you a story and then I will have a poll. Okay, there was this boy who was willing to go for a higher study, and he wanted to, and obviously for higher studies he required money. So he went to the money lender of the particular city where he was there and asked that I need this much amount of money. That money lender told him, if I give you money, अगर मैं आपको रुपया देता हूं तो हमारी जो ब्याज की रकम है, the interest which I will be charging is little higher, which is like doubling every 6 months. Whatever money I will give you, you will have to pay double of that in every 6 months or in 6 months. Which means if I pay you 100 rupee today, and if after 6 months if you are returning, you will have to pay me 200. If after 1 year you are returning, you will have to pay me 400. So this is simple there. Probably ऐसे interest rates है या नहीं है वो मुझे नहीं मालूम, but this is just to understand a particular concept based on which the whole investments and all learning related to finance is all there. And this is the magical thing. So what I do is I will just put a particular poll in front of you, if all of you can just see, and you will have to tell me. Okay, can you all see the poll now? Now the question is, if this 1 rupee is doubled every 6 months, then what will be the value of rupee 1 at the end of 14 years? Now what happens? He come back to this person after 14 years and he gave this 1 rupee coin which he had. वो अपना 1 रुपया दे के उसको चला जाता है और 14 साल बाद वो वापस आता है और उस क्लाइंट को बोलता है, उस बंदे को बोलता है कि मैंने जो आपको रुपया दिया था, you can return that to me. Now the question is, how much will that money lender return to this particular boy after 14 years? Okay, that's the question. Okay, we can see out of 51, only 4 people have answered as of now. 5, 6, 7. Good. 1 rupee is doubling, 2 rupees. At the end of 1 year, it has become 4. At the end of 1.5 years, it has become 8. At the end of 2 years, it has become 16, and so on and so forth. And to that, I have written the first option is 12.5 lakh. Second option is 1 crore. Third option is 1.25 crores. Fourth option is 26.5 crore. And the last option is 100 crores. Good. See, we can see all mix answers. Huh? One particular answer is coming up a little more. 59% of you have already voted. So maybe we will just see some more. All of you can just see the screen, no, in front of you. See, we have lots of polls like this in all the modules. The idea is when students, all of you will be conducting these polls, actually ensures that you are thinking and you are actually answering. And the participation is very, very important, because what we consider is like participation as actually equal to the value you will actually get. If you are not participating and if you are not engaging yourself, probably the value which you will get will be much, much less than what is actually expected. So if we have participated, if you are engaging, if you are answering, if you are writing in the chat box, and if that engagement, because it's going to be a 2-hour class for each module. And that's the key. Okay. So out of 55 people, we have 35 of us have actually voted. So 40 people have voted now. Good. 66%. So another 5 seconds, then we will just close the polling. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so here we end the poll. So more than 70% of you have voted. That's good. So let's see the results now. If 1 rupee is doubled, 38% of you have answered 12.5 lakh. Probably you did not get a lesser figure than that. That is the reason you have written 12.5 lakh. But my dear friends, this is the wrong answer. And 18% of you have voted for 1 crore plus. Yes, this is also a wrong answer. And then 18% of you have voted for 1.25 crore. That's also a wrong answer. 21% of you have voted for 26.5 crores. I think this answer is also some of our volatility coaches have only written. So yes, this is the right answer and not 100 crores. So how it works, and this is something what we call is a power of compounding. This is called the 8th wonder of the world. And this is so very important that I'm just going to share with you. If you can see this, see in 15 years, rather 7 years, 1 rupee has actually become 16,000 only. And if you see on the 29th column, this is your answer. This is approximately 26.84 crores. What we wrote was 26.5 crore. This is a simple maths, doubling, nothing more than that. Now, if 14 years, if I would have answered, if I asked the question for 15 years, this would have actually been 100 crore plus. So I think some of you who have answered 100 crore, you must have seen this example and you actually missed it, whether it is a 14 years or a 15 years or something like that. Okay. So that was the reason you have thought like that. Anyways, so this is the, actually, there are various polls, and for each and every topic, the whole idea is there. And why we are talking about all this? See, money management will become easy if whatever we are talking before that is making sense and is becoming convenient for all of us. So this actually helps. And when we are talking about the mindset, when we are talking about the power of compounding, where it works, see, the magic actually happens at the end of the goal. See, let's say there is a goal to create a corpus for your child's marriage, or maybe child's higher education. The actual returns will be accumulated at the end of that period, maybe on the 6th year or the 9th, 10th year or the 15th year or whatever it is. It is not in the initial year. As you have seen in that particular sheet, initially it was not there. In 7 years, it was only 16,000, but the actual money was created very, very late. But again, you need to be there and you need to be having that patience. Now, coming back to the game part. So we have another 35 minutes left. And what we will do, I just want you to see the game also. And I also want to talk about the all the other modules also within this time frame. So let's share one more topic and then we will just get into the game. Now, the next topics, topic or whatever you can call, is defining the money. Okay. So when I ask these questions to adults and people who have been working for many, many years, the answer is not so correct. Okay. But whenever I have done this program with students, they are the people who actually give a very correct answer. Okay. So defining money. So instead of getting onto the slide, let me get onto another poll with you all. Now on this poll, you can actually answer whatever you think. Okay. So there is a formula for everything. Okay. And there is a formula for money also. Like let's take formula for water is H2O, which means if you add a hydrogen and oxygen in a particular proportion at a particular temperature, then actually water is created. So for money also there should be something. Okay, and what is it in past, or what is it today, and what is it going to be in the future? So let's have a poll for all of you, if you all can just answer. Okay, the first one, the formula for money is equals to time into effort. Now what is effort? Effort is, let's say if you are a chartered accountant, okay, then chartered accountant is putting a particular time and he's getting a salary. Now if that chartered accountants also become a company secretary and also become an MBA, that is also effort, then he is actually getting maybe X plus X, or maybe 10 lakh, 12 lakh, a little more salary. Now with that, he adds a little more effort and that experience becomes maybe 10 years. कहने का मतलब है वो चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट अब 10 साल के एक्सपीरियंस चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट है और उन्होंने जो समय दिया है, टाइम दिया है, उसके लिए other, like earlier if he used to get 12 lakh salary, probably he's getting 25 lakh, 30 lakhs or maybe 50 lakhs of salary, which means either you have to increase the time or you have to increase the effort. Increasing the effort means increasing your degrees, increasing your education, is increasing your experience or the time, whatever you are actually getting. So this is something which is very, very important. So money is equals to time into effort. This is the formula which was there for many, many years, and it is there till now. Okay. In industrial age, this was the formula. There is no other formula which is there. But now things are changing. So what is the formula today? Okay, that's the question. AI means artificial intelligence. Okay. And money is equals to time into effort into technology. Money equals to time into effort into AI. Money is equals to time into effort into value. Money is equals to experience. Okay, so we have 37% of us who have already voted for this, and 50% have already voted. Good to see the progress in voting now. 65% already voted. I hope to have a little more polls this time than what it was last. 72%, yes, it is more than previous poll, and that's how it works. Most of the time, whenever we are doing this program with students or with investors, the first and the second and the third, and finally, we see the 100% participation. That's very, very important. So as I can see, wow, this time it has almost become 80%. 80% of you have voted, and we will end the poll at this point of time. Because this is something which is very, very serious. And I think when all of us, at the end of the day, we all need money. And if the formula is clear, we can actually see that in some or other way, it will come to us a little more. Wow, this is really 91% of you have already voted. That's amazing, huh? Good. So let's end the poll and let's see the results. Wow, this is the result which is coming, which is really, really good, which is 92% of you have already voted. So I think this is majority of each one of us, all the 57 in this group. Money is equals to time into effort. Yes, this is the formula for industrial age, and this is still now going for 90% of the people. Now then 63% of you have told that money is equals to time into effort into value. Yes, my dear friends, this is very nice answer, that until and unless a value is created, people don't intend to pay you. Today, again, it's an artificial intelligence age, but some of you have not agreed with that only artificial intelligence can give you money. Some of you think technology, but 14% again there. So most of you have answered value, and 16% of you have answered money is equals to experience. Let me give you an example and then explain the whole thing to you. See, there is how much money do you, and if you wish, you can write it in the chat box also. Okay. So if you can just, so this is there. So you can just write and just stop sharing the results now. Can you use the chat box? What is the cost of a tea, a 1 cup tea which you drink normally on a roadside or something like that? कितने रुपए का एक चाय की प्याली होती है? कितने रुपए में मिलती है? 20 रुपए में. अच्छा वरुण, गाजियाबाद में महंगी है, कलकत्ते में 10 रुपए में मिल जाती है. So okay, yeah, in Mumbai it is 10 and rest of the cities या 5 में भी मिलती है. So 5 rupee, 10 rupee is the normal tea. Okay, perfect. So in this tea, what is the ingredient which is most important is the tea leaf. And what is the cost of that tea leaf in that 1 cup tea? In 1 cup tea, how much? Maybe 1 gram or 2 gram tea is there. So 1 से 2 ग्राम चाय का कितना कॉस्ट होगा? करीबन 50 पैसे, 50 पैसा. Now this 50 paisa tea, we are actually paying 10 rupees, 10 bucks for that. Now the same tea, if you want to go and sit in a tea stall and if you have to drink, how much do you pay? Probably we pay a little more, maybe 20, 25, something like that. Now the same tea, if you have to drink in a particular, like cafe coffee day, how much do you pay there? The same 50 paisa tea, how much do you pay when you go to a cafe coffee day and have a drink? 150 bucks, absolutely okay. And then you go to Starbucks, how much do you pay there? 250 bucks, okay. And then you go to JW Marriott or maybe Taj, and how much do you pay there? That same 50 paisa tea, how much do you pay at maybe JW Marriott or maybe a Taj? And no, and the best part is the tea is separate, milk is separate, water is separate, sugar is separate. You have to add on your own, mix on your own, और बनाना भी खुद पड़ता है, पीना भी खुद पड़ता है. फिर भी आप उसके 500 रुपया plus GST पे कर देते हैं. Wow. What are we paying for? What do we pay? हम लोग क्या चीज के लिए रुपया दे रहे हैं यहाँ पे? Are we paying for the value? Are we paying for the ambience? Are we paying for the place? Are we paying for the goodwill? My dear friend, are we paying for the brand? Wealth? अच्छा, wealth also. Wealth कहाँ से आ गया इसमें? Mohammed Akram, Harish, branding. See, branding, some people say it's again, they just want to show off or something like that. But similar examples are there. We go to a Inox, not now, but we used to go, we ऐसा कहना पड़ेगा, we used to go to Inox and we used to pay 300 bucks for that tub of popcorn, which is probably not even 30 bucks. But still we pay 10 times more. Yes, Amuraj, you are absolutely correct. We actually are paying for an experience. So all those people who are able to create an experience to their customers, they are the people who are paid maximum. So money comes to those people who are only giving experience. Experience means delight. प्रोडक्ट सब देते हैं, वैल्यू भी सब देने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस भी यूज कर रहे हैं, टेक्नोलॉजी भी यूज कर रहे हैं, बट नॉट एवरीवन इज मेकिंग मनी. सेम थिंग, सेम प्रोडक्ट, सेम वैल्यू, probably there are various products which is being created, but some are making more money because a client is experiencing that. If your client is not experiencing it, if your client is not getting that delight, उस client को अगर वो feeling नहीं मिल रही है which actually he is there, probably he will go to somebody else. वो popcorn खाने का जो delight है, that particular time in that hotel, in that place, that situation, then only you get, and that is the time you, that is the reason you are paying 300 bucks. नहीं तो आप घर में भी वो popcorn खा सकते हो, road side में भी खा सकते हो, but why do you buy it there only? The only reason is we are getting and we are buying this particular popcorn because the experience at that point of time is something which has to be very, very unique. Okay. So what I will do, this way there are so many other topics but we will not be sharing. We will have only 25 minutes left. And in this 25 minutes, we will just play the game. Okay. And also understand what are the modules for that. Okay. So before we, let's just play a game and I will just explain you. Probably it will be a little time taking. But once you understand how this game actually, how teams are divided and how everybody is actually working on this, this will actually work. So what I'm doing here is, for today, we will just have a little team type things. So the whole group will be actually divided into, I'm just doing 3 teams. We can have 4 teams, we can have 2 teams, whatever. So what I'm doing is, and I'm just naming them as team 1, team 2, and team 3. Now in front of you, there is a screen which will come now. If you all can see, like this is a screen. Okay, this is something like most of you, if you have been to a casino or there you have seen some machine like that wherein you just press something and some figures will come up here and there. Okay, so we will not get into detailed explanations of this. I will just rapidly say, because in the session we will be detailed, understand each and every part, so that this is very, very practical, and all the figures in this is actual. And then what I will do, I will just divide you all into 3 groups, wherein all of you can just chit chat, and then you can take a decision, and then we all come back, and then you will actually give me the allocation. So what is happening here? Okay, so this is just like a roller which is there. So all 3 teams, all of you are given 1 crore each. Okay, now we will play 2 rounds here today, and because usually we play 4 rounds, 5 rounds, but here we are just playing 2 rounds, because in next 10 minutes we will just play the game and we will understand how it works. In this 2 rounds, whoever will be the winner, and whoever is not the winner is okay. So 1 crore, we will have to ensure that this 1 crore is growing. Obviously, the winners are the people who actually increase the money, and not the people who actually decrease the money. Now a situation will come in front of you. Looking at the situation, you will have to identify and you will have to judge whether you should put your money into equity or whether you should not put your money into equity. Now, see, there are 2 parts. One is debt and the other is equity. Debt is something like fixed deposits and all. I'm not getting into the detail of explanations. Equity is simply, let's consider as a share market, which is like the Nifty, wherein you are investing. We will get into a detailed explanations of what is equity and debt when we play the game. And then we have certain ratios which is there. Okay. One is this Nifty level. So now what you will see, there is a Nifty level, which is the actual figure. And then there is a PE level. PE level is the price earning ratio. We will explain this when we actually play the game, or while you are doing your breakout room. You can actually ask some of the participants. Some of our coaches are also there in this game, so maybe they can explain you that. And then there is a PB and a MG ratios. I'm not getting into detailed explanations now. During the game, we explain each and every term and how important that is and from where to see that. Most of the time, we just look at the Sensex and we just make a conclusion, market acha hai ya kharab hai. But that is something which is much later. Before that, there is something, and looking at that, you can actually do the rebalancing, and your portfolio, your value of your money can actually really, really grow very, very well. So what I'm doing is, I'm just putting a figure in front of you. One particular day, एक समय हमारे इंडिया में निफ्टी था 11,1195, PB was 2.58 and PE ratio was 12.95. Now what you will do, now this is an investment you will have to do for 1 year. Okay, listen to me very, very carefully. And if you think that you want to do it in equity, you have to put 100% in equity. And if you think that you have to put into debt, then you put 100% into debt. Or you can do 50-50, 80-20, whatever way you want. Now, when you are putting the money into debt, which is fixed deposit types, you will get a guaranteed 10% return. Okay, for this game purpose. Abhi market mein returns kam ho gaye hain. ठीक है, so 10% is the return which you can actually expect. And then if you in equity, if you are putting, it can actually go up 40-50% also, and it can be negative also. So market down ho gaya, so you can get negative. Otherwise, it can be a positive also. Now, you will have to decide. Please make the note of these figures, and then we will just see how it is working. अब आप लोगों को decide करना है whether you put into debt or equity or a combination of that as a team. Now what I am going to do is, for next 3 minutes or 5 minutes, let's see, we'll put you into groups, okay? और आप लोगों को क्या करना है? You will have to decide within the group what you should put in. The P is 12 point something, 2 point something is the PB ratio, which is price to book ratio, and Nifty is there. Nifty is just like the Sensex, which is the exchange, which actually shows. We will be explaining, we will be learning and understanding each and every term in detail with examples, with polls, with videos, so that when we are playing this game, things become more easy for us. Okay. So what I'm doing is I'm just dividing you into 3 breakout rooms. And in each room, there are approximately 18 people in one room. So all of you can just discuss and just get back to me. We will be back in another 4 minutes. Please join the rooms and there you can unmute yourself and just have a discussion. Please join the rooms. There is an option which will come in front of you on the screen of joining the breakout room. Please join the breakout room. Yeah, I think another 10 people are still left in this main hall. Okay, thank you so much. To see, only 7 people are still there in this hall. Please join the room. Richa Jha, Archana Singh, Suchitra KVN, Jakala Venkat. You all can actually join. Archana Singh, all of you can join the room. You are unable to join? What happened? Hello? You all can speak also. Joshua Raj, Archana Singh. You can just join. You can just press the button, join the room. They will take you to the room. And there you can just discuss. Zakir, you can just join the room. Zakir, I am assigning you to room 2 now. Please join that room. Joshua Raj. Hello, Joshua. Archana Singh. Hello, Archana. Okay, so you'll have to be there in this place only. So I will just visit some of the rooms and come back. Welcome back, everyone, and we will just see the thing. But I think in different teams we had different people, so I will request you will have to give allocation. So in the first one, Upinder was there. Can you tell us?
So 30 debt and 70 equity is what the participants wanted.
Okay. And second team we had, third team is Varun was there. Second team we had, can somebody from second team just tell me?
About
Yes, Anilji boliye. Second team, what was the decision?
5% in debt, 95% in equity.
Okay. And the third team, which is Varun, what was the decision in your team? Varun, Harish, you were there.
90 equity, 10 debt.
Okay. So friends, this is there. Before we get into the results of this particular round, I will just show you a small video where you can just see that, and then we will actually declare the results. Okay. I'm just trying to. Okay, so I'm not sharing the full video. The full video and many more videos like this. The idea of this whole video was keep from morning till the late night we are consuming something, and if we see that whatever we have consumed, all that consumption is a part of our stock exchange. It's in a form of an equity. So all this will become an expense, whether the biscuit or the tea or whatever we are drinking or eating. वो एक्सपेंस तब तक है जब तक हमने उसमें निवेश नहीं किया है, till the time we have not invested in that. If we have invested, whatever the expense is, that actually becomes a source of earning for us. If you have a shares of Britannia company, and now if you are consuming Britannia, you will feel good about it कि कहीं ना कहीं Britannia अगर if they are making money, I will get my dividends, I will get the price up. So this is how the mindset is all about. We were talking about the mindset, but this again is a shift in the mindset wherein हम उन्हीं चीजों में invest करें जो हम लोग consume कर रहे हैं. Today everything, starting from the oil which we use, starting from the shirt which we wear, or maybe the undergarments which we are wearing, everything is listed. Most of the things are listed. Okay, so each and everything can actually become a source of revenue for all of us. So let's get into the result of this round, and then probably. So if you all can see the screen, I'm just putting invest and let's see what happens. As you can see, the team which has put 95% into equity has got the highest return. And the team which has put 90% in equity got the second highest return, and the team which has put 70% in equity, because this year 37% return was generated in equity market. This was from 1st August 2003 to 1st August 2004. Now, similarly, when we will be playing more rounds, and in between those rounds, we will be learning concepts. Okay, so I'm not taking you to any further round, because the idea was not to play the game. Because as we play 4-5 rounds, end of the 4-5 rounds, I'm sure each one of us will be more enriched, and the learning will be much, much more than actually reading maybe 100 books. Because this is something which is practical, and we all can actually experience this, whether it is for students or whether it is for teachers or whether it is for anyone, whoever is in India. Okay, so this is the way the whole game is created. I'm also going to share with you the rest of the modules so that you can have a little idea on this. Okay, sorry. So this is the a certification program. So the first module, a little part of this we have already played, which is called the volatility game. Sorry. Sorry, this was okay. Okay, I think all of you can see it now. Yeah. So these are the 9 modules. The first one is volatility game. The second one is on debt market. Within debt also, no, there are certain strategies. There is a game which you can understand. Some funds can actually create a 16-17% return, and some you get 4.5% return. So when to invest in which type of fund, whether it is a long-term gilt, government bond, or maybe a short-term commercial paper only. So the understanding is very, very important, especially for all the students who will be in the finance sector. They must know about this. This is very, very important. Technical analysis is all about charts. There are people who have actually created their whole career only on the basis of technical analysis in US and in even various cities in India. Also, there are 3 years, 3.5 years programs, diplomas, and where people get into a deeper studies of technical analysis. So again, herein they will understand around 5 to 6 key ideas wherein they can use and actually come to a conclusion that this is the market, good or bad. And this all will be done in form of a game and also in charts. Fundamental analysis. In Nifty, we have 1,572 stocks. Now, what are the 10 stocks which you really need to buy? Is it only HDFC, Axis Bank, and stocks like that, which is very, very popular, or something more? So this is something which we can actually understand what is fundamental. A lot of people, I conduct a lot of program for Institute of Chartered Accountants and various accountants. See, doing those for an organization and practically using them to make wealth for yourself is little different. So what are the fundamental things which we should look into a company before investing in? This is how the fund managers deal with these fundamentals. Similarly, derivatives and option. Most of the time we think that we have taken a huge risk, but your risk, you can actually reduce it by just knowing and understanding how you can actually hedge your portfolio. This is done through this particular game. Then mutual fund analysis. In India, we have around 44 mutual fund companies and over 3,000 schemes. Now, out of those schemes, how to identify? Yes, if you have a good advisor, I think that is very, very good. But at least you should know about that. What are the bases? What are the ratios which you really need to learn, understand, and in a form of a game, you understand that. Then comes this financial planning tool. All of us plan for everything. We plan for a trip to maybe Simla or maybe Kulu, Manali, everywhere we plan a lot, but our life is something which is the most important thing. And we really need to make a plan for that. And that a plan on a physical paper so that that is there on our board or somewhere so that we can see it. And it is every time shared that whatever you see, you actually can manifest that. So if we have created a proper plan for ourselves, the chances are higher that we will achieve that. Not just leaving it just wherever it is. Vision game is about how you manage a team. आपका अपना एक विजन हो सकता है, अपना एक गोल हो सकता है, पर आपके जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में, आपके घर में बाकी सारे लोग क्या उस विजन के संग अलाइंड हैं? If they are not aligned, probably you may not reach to your goal. But if everybody, the whole family, the whole organization is with one vision, probably the chances become very, very high. So this game is not related to finance, but wealth, different aspect. It is very, very important. Influencer game is about communication skills. How do you structure your content? See, all this learning, then finally you have to present it to somebody. Especially for the students, when they are learning something, they need to structure it. And today the time has become when in less words, few words, you have to actually share it. So it becomes very, very important how you share the content in a best possible way. So this game is about the vision game. So this is the program which we thought that we should be sharing it with you. Each and every game has there are video links, 2 minutes links and 2 minutes things also there. We can actually share with you that also. Considering that we have just finished our 58 minutes, I just don't want to get into any further discussion. This is all there. Coaches are there all across India. Please get in touch with them so that we can get, and any other questions you have, you can ask, you can write me in the chat box. We just want to stick to the time so that we do justice to everyone's time. We start in time and end in time. Okay, thank you very much. That's all from my end. Any questions? I'll be happy to answer. We have also recorded this session. We'll be happy to share the recording if required by any one of you. So I'm just stopping the recording at this point of time.